The subtitle of my third book is Stories of Passion for Place and Everyday Nature. This is an everyday nature kind of day. It's August 27th, 2026. I'm at the Wheeler National Wildlife Refuge at Buckeye Impoundment. I live just a half an hour from this point in the refuge. I try to get down here several times seasonally, and it's late summer and pretty quiet. I can hear some locusts, puffy cumulus clouds overhead, the hardwood bottomland forest here looking east, swinging around looking due south about now. I enjoy it every day of the year.